The difference between the average financial advisor and an advisor who trains with Ed Slott and Company is night and day. It's not that other financial advisors are bad. They don't know what they don't know.
Most advisors don't have that specialized knowledge. Our members are exposed to it continually throughout the year, and they have us as a resource.
They have to know how retirement accounts work. They have to be up to date. They have to keep up their education, and we provide them with the best resources possible.
To me, it's a no-brainer. Why would you even take the chance of working with somebody who doesn't invest in this type of training?
So we're like a matchmaking service. We match consumers with advisors who have specialized knowledge in the second half of the game, getting that retirement money out.
If you want to hire an advisor who's one of the best, an easy way to tell is to look and see if they're an Ed Slott lead advisor.